Most people think becoming a millionaire requires a tech startup or a lottery ticket. But the truth is much simpler. It's all about how you manage what you already earn. Today, I'm breaking down the famous 50-30-20 rule, the exact money blueprint that can turn an average salary into a $1 million fortune. First, 50% of your income goes to needs. These are your non-negotiables: rent, groceries, insurance, and minimum debt payments. In 2026, with rising living costs in the US, keeping your needs strictly under 50% is the first major step to building real wealth. Next, 30% goes to wants. This is your fun money: dining out, streaming subscriptions, or travel. The secret of self-made millionaires isn't cutting out joy completely. It's putting a hard boundary on it. If it's over 30%, you're delaying your freedom. Finally, the most important part, the 20% for savings and investing. This isn't money to leave in a basic bank account. This 20% goes straight into high-yield savings, index funds, or retirement accounts like a Roth IRA. Invested consistently, compound interest does the heavy lifting to cross that $1 million mark. Are you currently following this rule? Drop your percentage breakdown in the comments below. To automate your path to financial freedom in 2026, subscribe to Dollar Daily and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.